Welcome to Car Updater, your go-to channel for the latest updates on the most exciting cars in the world. Today, we are diving deep into the 2025 Nissan GT-R R39, a car that has been making waves in the automotive industry. Nissan has once again pushed the boundaries of performance, design, and technology with this latest iteration of the legendary GT-R series. The 2025 Nissan GT-R R39 comes with a bold new design that blends aggressive aerodynamics with modern styling. The sharper lines, wider stance, and futuristic LED lighting give it a commanding presence on the road. Nissan has focused on making this model not just a high-performance machine but also a visually stunning supercar. The redesigned front grille and sleeker air intakes improve both cooling and downforce, ensuring that this beast remains stable at high speeds. Under the hood, the GT-R R39 packs a powerful twin-turbocharged V6 engine that delivers breathtaking performance. Nissan has fine-tuned the engine to produce more horsepower and torque, making it one of the most powerful GT-R models ever. The advanced all-wheel drive system and improved suspension provide exceptional handling and grip, allowing drivers to push the car to its limits with confidence. Whether on the track or the streets, the R39 delivers an exhilarating driving experience. Inside, Nissan has upgraded the interior with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The cabin now features a fully digital driver display, a larger infotainment touchscreen, and improved connectivity options. The sports seats provide excellent support, ensuring comfort even during high-speed drives. Nissan has also worked on reducing cabin noise, making long drives more enjoyable. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 GT-R R39 is its hybrid powertrain integration. Nissan has introduced an advanced hybrid system that enhances performance while improving fuel efficiency. This not only adds extra power but also ensures that the GT-R stays relevant in an era where electrification is becoming more important. The combination of electric assistance and turbocharged power makes acceleration smoother and more responsive than ever before. Safety has also been a priority in this new model. The R39 comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and improved collision detection. These features make it not just a performance car but also a smart and safe choice for modern drivers. The Nissan GT-R has always been a symbol of power and innovation, and the 2025 R39 takes it to a whole new level. With its stunning design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology, it continues the legacy of the GT-R name in the best possible way. This car is a true masterpiece, built for those who crave speed, precision, and adrenaline. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest car news, make sure to subscribe to Car Updater. We bring you the best and most exciting car updates, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.